to Beaumont's kitchen. We will be making some beef fajitas. So we'll start with the marinade. So we'll do roughly about all the ingredients will be on the screen and also in the description. So for the marinade, so we need about a quarter cup of olive oil. I always do rough measurements when I cook. Roughly about the same amount of lemon juice. That's about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. 3/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, thereabouts. Yeah, about a half a teaspoon of pepper. And the same with the salt. Teaspoon of onion powder. Teaspoon of garlic powder. Got some paprika. Teaspoon of the chili powder. Okay. It's a little bit of pepper medley. Famous Maggie. It's kind of like soy sauce. It has the same sort of flavor. Toss some of that in there. We'll whisk this up. This is going to be our lovely marinade for our fajitas, our beef. Perfect. That's kind of what you're looking for. Marinate this for close to let's say 2 hours. And if you have overnight, you can do it overnight as well. How it tastes, super important. Okay, yeah, let's give it a little taste here. See what we got. Oh, that's good. That's marinade. Perfect. Toss this over here. So I got a nice beef roast. This one is close to 2 pounds, I believe. Yeah, just over 2 pounds. So I just want to put a pound of this roast. Nice top sirloin roast. We're going to use really good for fajitas. So the cutting board. Get about a pound in there. It's looking good. String off. Yeah, I've been super busy at work again. Of course, it seems like every week we're quite busy. So I have this was a top sirloin roast. You do not know how many of these things I cut in the last week. It was pretty insane. Just cases and cases and cases and cases of these things. So a lot. The total muscles probably like 150, 200 of the muscles I cut, if not more. So it was quite a busy thing at work. So we're just gonna take if you see any like silver skin or fat, just want to take that off. And you can save the little bit of fat in the pieces, and I usually make ground beef out of them. So fat and stuff. Don't want anything chewy for your fajitas. This part. You want to make sure your knife is sharp for our fajitas. Cut this part in half, sort of like a steak. And we're gonna cut it against the grain. Do it across. Boom. Okay. Pieces like so. You can see that, so you want pieces roughly about the same size. Okay. Just like so. And so they'll cook quite evenly and fairly quickly. I don't really want them overcooked. I like them a little more on the rare side, so that's perfect. Toss them into our marinade. Always wash your hands. All our beef up. Gets all in that marinade. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I've made beef fajitas in a while. I think I have made them, but kind of not this style. I usually just more like a stir fry sort of style. But hey, give it a go. Ooh, it smells so good. I'm gonna go touch more olive oil. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. And as I said, if you have like 4 hours or you have 6 hours or you want to leave it overnight, the more you marinate it, the better it gets. So, but I'm just gonna do like 2 hours, at least 2 hours. Cool. And we come back, we'll start stir frying our marinade. So 2 hours in a flash. We'll be back into the ice balls. Okay, so our meat's been marinated, and I'm gonna take it out, left it out for about more like 30 minutes, so it becomes room temperature, and it's a little easier to cook. That's it for you. And now we're gonna slice some onions and peppers. Take the onion and we're gonna slice it this way. Toss it into the bowl. Same idea. Peppers in half. Seeds out, of course. And we're gonna slice the peppers. So. Into where the onions. And I have to say thank you everyone for all the new subscribers and everyone who subscribed. That's pretty awesome. My channel has had a lot of growth in the last the month of May. Thank you for making this all possible. There's some beautiful peppers, all chopped up. For our peppers, toss some nice olive oil in with the peppers. We're just gonna get them all happy before we fry them up. Okay. Some salt. Okay. Some pepper. Black pepper. Okay. You can use fresh cracked pepper too. So whichever you want to use. And our famous lemon. Good amount of lemon juice in there. Be mindful of the seeds. Just a little bit of lemon juice, not too much. Like a half, pretty good. You don't want it too mushy. And toss them in. And our peppers are ready. Pan heated up. And we'll use the cast iron pan when we get their beef going. Pretty high heat oil. Good oil. Okay. Okay, take the beef. Slowly. Get them in the pan. Alright. Yeah, it'll take a few minutes on each side. Okay. Smelling good. You kind of want to get a good sear on each piece. Get them all in there. Yeah, I just want a good color. It doesn't have to be perfect sear. It's you know, it's stir frying, so it's good. I'm no master chef. This is called home cooking for a reason. All right. Don't have to complicate things. If the end result's the same and it's tasty, you're good to go. Yeah, it's like each piece gets a bit of color. It's smelling good. Yummy. Smelling good.
Beautiful little sear on there.
Yes, it could. The skill could have been a bit harder, but you know, it's all good. It's called home cooking. You know, you definitely smell the spice. Pull the meat off. The meat's good. Veggies. Also with guys in there. Yeah, we just want to get them pretty soft in there. Cool.
Beautiful peppers. Looking good.
This is home cooking. Same gourmet. Whatever's good. I don't care. Maybe I should call it Beaumont's Rustic Kitchen. Alright. Little trick with our tortillas. Throw them in the pan. Just heat it up. Done. Okay. Yeah, we're just heating it up and then they become a little soft. Put a little towel on top. Okay. I'll keep it warm for a little while, so. This one, not so soft. This one, look how soft he is. See? Yeah, that's the reasoning behind it. Cheese. Cheese in a bowl. Serving section here. Put some salsa in there in a sec. Make a wrap. Grab a wrap. A couple of pieces of beef. Because a few pieces, you would still want to be able to wrap them up. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Okay. Some peppers. Onions. More, sure. Fajitas are meant to be fancy. This ain't fine dining. Beaumont's Kitchen here. Alright. Gobble of sour cream on there. Cheese. There you go. And wrap her up. Okay. Like so. And alright. Let's give Mr. Fajita a try. Okay. Give it a go. Delicious. Fajita tasted really good, pretty awesome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, love ya, and see you next time. And thanks for watching.